What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You probably see all this white stuff right here. We got some crappy weather today. So what I want to get done is, it's kind of chilly out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna make this video too long. But what I wanted to talk about or show you guys is so I was watching a video, Mango 392 video, a couple days ago, and in his video, you know, he was doing like the DB test on his phone or on a tablet. So what I want to do is, you know, he was doing his with a stock exhaust, and I know that I have aftermarket exhaust. I have the Flowmaster Super 44s put on, and the resonators are removed. So so what I'm gonna do is let me get my, if I can find my phone. So I have this app called DB meter or decibel meter. You can download it off the if you have an iPhone, you can download it off the App Store. I'm not too sure if this one is on Google Play, but you can check. But it's just, I just go in there and search DB meter. So I have this DB meter out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You can see that the numbers are turning, you know, and it's just the sound that's going on right now. But we're gonna go ahead and try it on the car. So it's kind of wet down here, but all right, so here we go. So that's about, you know, a real DB meter, like not on a phone, but I'm sure like a stereo shop or something like that would. Good Lord, man, I got stuff falling on me. But I'm sure like a, you know, real DB meter, I mean, that'd be a little bit more accurate. But that was just a little test on the phone. You know, it's just on a mobile DB test. So. I don't know. We're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit more video. I'm gonna do another video after this one. So if you guys enjoyed that little clip of the DB test, you know, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and, you know, leave a comment. So be glad to hear from you and all that other fun stuff. So we're making progress. At least I'm making another video. So and I'm gonna make another one after this one, like I said. So alright, guys, well, that was a short little clip of the mobile DB test on how loud your car is. And I got stuff falling on me. They were talking about 5 to 8 inches of snow today, but we only got a little bit. So I was hoping we go have fun, but there's not enough snow on the ground, on the streets to go have fun. So anyways, guys, that was just a short little clip. Like always, drive safe, man, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.